Welcome back to my channel, The Makeover Mom. Make sure to subscribe if you like what you see. Today we are going to be putting together another quick and easy gift basket. And you guessed it, all the items came from Dollar Tree. Perfect for Mother's Day or a gift for a friend, teacher, or co-worker and cost under $15. I was inspired by this floral notebook. I absolutely love cute office supplies, so I think they make great gifts. These Rose Collection candles look so expensive in person and smell great. And these new hand cream sets have a floral design that looks very Anthropology-esque, so I opted to keep them in the box. Dollar Tree has so many cute mugs and tumblers to choose from, so substitute your mug of choice to suit your giftee. I chose this floral mom mug. I also included this bottle of floral body spray in Japanese blossom. These pins I thought were very stylish and paired well with the notebook. I used their faux flowers and gift bows to add a little decoration to the basket. I also used a floral gift bag to act as the gift basket's backdrop. Dollar Tree also has a ton of scarves, so I chose this coordinating floral design. Overall, I thought it would be a great gift for someone who enjoys nature or just being outside, hopefully inspiring them to sit out on their backyard or look out at their garden and take some quiet time to journal while enjoying a cup of coffee or tea. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you liked it and hit that notification bell if you want to see more. Bye-bye.